So the longer this move goes on from October that we've been just kind of corrective move right here, the more, I think that just based on how long this lasted, I think that this is most likely, at this point, for how long this has lasted, we've lasted for now 5 months. It would be highly unlikely that this is an A wave and this is a B wave, because a B wave is so much longer than this A wave time-wise. So I just noticed something that I thought was interesting, and it actually, I think it might be more accurate now. So if this is the B wave, so we have right here A, B, C right here, and then we bounce. Let's say this is A, this is B, draw a parallel line here, and actually, I'm sorry, A is right here actually. This is an expanded flat. So A, B, C, and a lot of people might have the A wave into this, and it wouldn't show that if I didn't have it there. But I have A here, and then I have A, expanded flat, ending up here. Clone that right here, and look at this. Basically right on it. Yeah, exactly on it, right there. So that means A, B, C right there. So that kind of changes everything. Because again, if you're looking at the time relationship between the waves, if B wave is going to be at least as long as the A wave, this started January 4th, and we got all the way down here to October 12th. That's 9 months and 8 days. So if the B wave is going to be as long as the A wave, that takes us all the way to like mid-July for this to end. So you're wondering why this is so choppy and slow. It's because this is probably the overall B wave. So I was just writing a comment, and I think that there's a chance that, yeah, this is probably just A right here. This is probably just A, and we're currently making B, something like that. And this A wave lasted October 13th to February 2nd. That's like basically 2.5 months. So this B wave, like I talked about in the video, this is probably going to end at least April OPEX or later than that. So it could end in May, depending on where it goes. I don't know if it's going to go to 380 or not. It could bounce and go lower than that. We could get a double bottom here at 348. But it's probably not going to go past the 1.61 fib though. But that's right at 378. So 380 is probably where it's going to go. But if this lasted 2.5 months, this B wave might last all the way to like the end of April or early May. Then that would put us at like 7 months for AB. And then you're probably looking at like at least 3 months to get up here. So maybe like mid-April and then probably 3 months to like mid-July or later, maybe August. And then the final move down would start in August or September. And then that would last, if this is July and it started in January, the final move down would last like 8 months. That's like April or May of 2024. We'd be hitting the very bottom here. So if this goes A, B, and goes all the way up to like 440 or 450, we're looking at basically like 320 in April or May of 2024. And then that would be the overall fourth wave, and then it would melt up. So that's just an interesting revelation that I just saw looking at parallel lines. I think that that might actually be correct, because this is a very good C wave for how quickly it happened. It's 2 months long, and this was how long? We'd already gone for, let's see, 7 months. So it was a little bit less than half, but pretty much about half of the AB wave. And so I think that what I just talked about is very likely to be correct going forward, and we probably won't end this bear market for another year, maybe in April or May of 2024. So just something to bring up. This could be a very, very Well, it could be another 4 or 5 months for this to get all the way up here to 440 to 450 before we start making our move down. Second half of the year should be very bearish. Start of 2024 should be the very end of that bearishness and the end of the bear market as well.